friends, so we're going to be doing our poetry notebook today. We're only going to be doing a few poems in here, and this is located inside of your book bag. So you guys have a lot of awesome books in here, a reading mat, a lot of awesome things in there, but we're going to be taking out our poetry notebook and doing some poems. So if you want to, you can write your name on the front and color the picture. We're going to flip over to this page, yellow. So for the first one, we're just going to do like a quick warm up. It might be a little easy for you, and that's good. We're just going to be focusing on the snap words on here. So get a pencil, a marker, crayon, whatever you want, up to you. And we are going to read it, and then we're going to search for some snap words in here, okay? So reading it, yellow. Yellow is the sun that shines in the sky. Yellow is the lemons in a yummy lemon pie. Yellow is a banana hanging on a tree. Yellow is a butterfly or a little bumblebee. All right, so it's all about yellow, and I thought this was a perfect one because the sun has been out a lot. So let's go ahead and go back through this, starting at the top, and we're looking for some snap words. So whenever you see a snap word, we're just gonna underline it. Lots of snap words in this one, so it should be easy to find some. All right, let's look at that first line. Snap words, yellow is, that's a snap word. Next one, the, T-H-E spells the. All right, sun, not a snap word. Ooh, that's one of our tricky snap words, that. And that's not a snap word. In, the. Last one is sky, not a snap word. So far we have 5 snap words on those first 2 lines. Go ahead and go to the next 2 lines. See if you can find the snap words. Pause the video real quick, and when you're ready, hit play. All right, let's go to these next ones. Double check to see what snap words you got. All right, yellow, another is, the, in, a. All right, it looks like I see a bit of a pattern in these first 2. Yellow is the, yellow is the. Kind of cool. All right, let's find the snap words in the rest of them. Yellow is a. There's that is again, but instead of the this time, they changed it to a. Hanging on a. Those are both snap words. And yellow is a. Hey, that's like that one. So these 2 start the same pattern. These 2 have the same pattern. Kind of cool how poems work. All right, yellow is a, underline those, or not quite one of our snap words, a little bumblebee. All right, so we have all those snap words on this page. Let's go ahead and read it again because that was just a quick warm up. Yellow. Yellow is the sun that shines in the sky. Yellow is the lemon in a yummy lemon pie. Yellow is a banana hanging on a tree. Yellow is a butterfly or a little bumblebee. All right, let's go ahead and flip it over. This one we're going to be looking at the pattern again. You're going to find the pattern, and then we're also going to be looking at rhyming words. So first, let's just look at the pattern that we have in here. Look at nature. You have a person over here. They have a big magnifying glass. Look. It's one of our snap words, and I bet they're looking with the magnifying glass. All right, and it said nature, so we can think about different things that are in nature. Those kind of words might be in here. Okay, let's see. Look in the tree, look in the air. Make sure you're listening to see if you figure out what the pattern is. Look in the water, look everywhere. Did you find a pattern up here? Okay, well, let's read down here, and then we'll go back and find. Look for the bugs, look for the bees. Look for the baby birds resting in the trees. I think I found a pattern. Just like this one, these 2 have the same pattern. These 2 have the same pattern. This has the same pattern, and this has the same pattern. Okay, so let's underline the pattern. Look in the, look in the. There's a different word at the ending of each one. So the different word isn't part of our pattern, but these first 3 words, look in the, are all part of our pattern. So we're going to take a marker, crayon, whatever, and underline that pattern. That way when we go back and read it, when you read it by yourself, you'll easily be able to remember, oh yeah, I underlined that because it's the same pattern. Okay, look in the same pattern, look in the same pattern, look in the, let's see, is this the same pattern? Look in, oh, that's not the same pattern, so we cannot underline it. All right, I'm gonna grab another marker when we go going down to the next one. So that way I know that these are not the same pattern as these. Okay, looking at this one, look again, look for the, look for the, look for the. And remember, all these ones at the end change, so we're not going to underline those. That's not part of the pattern. So we're going to go ahead and underline look for the, look for the, look for the. And what about this last line? Does that say look for the? Nope, so we can't underline it. All right, so you can see that all the orange have the same pattern, same words. All the green have the same pattern, same words. Now we're going to go ahead and look for some rhyming words. So get a different color. We're going to look for some rhyming words. All right, let's read it. Look in the tree, look in the air. Does anything rhyme yet? Not quite. Look in the water, look everywhere. Wait, air, everywhere. Kind of a big word, but they still rhyme. Listen to it. Look in the tree, look in the air, look in the water, look everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and do a squiggly line under air, and a squiggly line under everywhere, because air and everywhere, any of those rhyme. Let's see if there's any rhyming words down here. Look for the bugs, look for the bees, look for the baby birds resting in the trees. Okay, I know I heard some rhyming words, but I have to go back to read it to figure out what they are. Look for the bugs, look for the bees. No rhyming words yet. Look for the baby birds, bugs, baby birds, no, that doesn't rhyme. Resting in the trees. Oh, look, bees and what rhymes? Is it baby birds? No. Trees, trees. All right, so on this page, we looked at our patterns and we looked at words that rhyme. Cool, let's go on to our next one. All right, and this is gonna be our last one for today. We're gonna be focusing on number words. So there's going to be different numbers in here, and we are going to go ahead and identify what number it is and write the number above it, okay? So let's go ahead and read it first. And look at the picture. What do you think it's going to be about? Ducks. Can you see ducks? Oh, what is that? That's not a period. That's a question mark. So they're asking us lots of questions in here, so we have to be paying attention to those also. Okay. Can you see 6 ducks? Can you see 5? Can you see 4 ducks swimming in a line? Can you see 3 ducks? Can you see 2? Can you see 1 duck swimming near you? All right, so let's go back and find some of those number words. So we're going to be writing different numbers in here. Let's look at this first line. Is there a number word in this first line? Let's read it. Can you see 6 ducks? Wait, 6? Oh, I know what that is. All right, 6. So above this word right here, we're going to write the number 6. Can you see 5? That's another one. Down around, put a line on top. Can you see 4 ducks? That's another one. Make an L, pull straight down. Swimming in a line. Is there a number word on here? Not on this one. All right, let's move down here. Can you see 3 ducks? Which one's the number word? Duck. Write your 3. Can you see 2? We're going to write our 2. Can you see 1 duck? And our 1. Swimming near you. Nothing on there. Okay, so we found all of the number words on here. It's kind of easy because they went down in a line. And if you noticed, it goes 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's counting down from 6. So next week we'll be doing more of our poem words. We'll be focusing more on different vowel pairs and stuff like that. So tune into next week's and we'll do some more in here. If you want though, when you go in your reading bag, you can read out of this too, okay? It's good practice. All right, see you guys.